Okay, welcome to another video, right? CAD Studio. That rhymes, right? Yes, basically, so with this tutorial I just want to show how to give us a border, right? How to develop a border in Autocad mechanical. Basically most of the times it was in technical drawing that you have, or you are exposed to this, having a sheet, a white sheet, you draw your border lines and all of that. It's also in the Autocad software, so it's very simple. All I need to do is go to annotate, right? Once you get to annotate, you come down to the sheet area and then you look for what title border, right? So we select the title border, and then we have some things to select right down here, right? So you can depending on the department you are in, probably the 17 by that inch, and then the title block, maybe US and C title block A, any of them, right? And then the scale over here is also 1 right? This is inches because it is in inches. You have 1 inch to 1 inch. Are we okay? So once we are done, we can click OK, and then we have our title over there. Now you see the title border, it is very small, so just as I advise that you get an external mouse so you can zoom in and then see that this is the title border. So right now we want to make sure that this title border is aligned to the center of our drawing, or sorry, of our work area. So what do? Once you have it in this page, just click press 0 and then enter, right? So at the end it brings it down to the corner there, as you can see down there, right? Now it also brings up a pop-up. Now this pop-up is for the basic information you write or you feed into your title border, right? Your title block, your name and all of that, right? And the name of the lecturer and all of that. Not everything here is of utmost importance, right? So we have the check by, we have the check date, you have the contact number, basically your contact number. We have issued by, that's the course instructor. We have the approval date, right? And then all of this. Then once you are done, okay, and then we have our title border very well placed, right? Very simple. Thank you for making time to watch this video. Don't forget to give us a like and then to subscribe.